The body is a highly sophisticated mechanism, right? If you put us in a dangerous situation, and stereotypically we'd put that back in the old days to being, by a dangerous animal that might attack us, then our breath is the first thing to change. We will breathe in a way that ignites our body into a fight or flight response so that we are primed to escape, to run, or to move away from the threat. We operate in that way now. I think there's even such a term as something like email apnea or something like that.
People stop breathing.
We stop breathing as we're reading an email. And we're stressed or uptight, or we're taking in this information and we stop breathing. And without realizing it, without consciously thinking we're stressed or anything, but we are signaling to our body that the equivalent of there being a dangerous animal in the near vicinity and we are under threat. And it's now become so common, so natural for us to feel that way that we don't even, it's just, well, yeah, of course I'm at work. Of course I get stressed. But yeah, it's the breath. The body will respond to the breath. So in the same way, if we can slow the breath, if we can breathe in such a way that says to the body, there is no dangerous animal here. There's not even an email that I need to worry about. I can be relaxed by breathing, by slowing our breath, by calming our breath. Then the body will respond by entering into the parasympathetic nervous system, because it takes the way that we're breathing as what is true for our surroundings. We are safe or we're not.